Did you see that? Did you see that? Are you recording?
Yes.
I just found a drone in the middle of nowhere.
Just a drone laying on the ground. Okay,
like,
that's my drone. We have come out to my daughter's property here. Jack's he got a drone and he's gonna test it out while my son-in-law is working on the property. Then she's gonna use some of the footage for her vlog. Oh. Yeah, and I'm gonna use some for mine. Okay. It was a little chilly out here in the shade, so I went and got my jacket. Yeah. Now we're gonna follow Jack. Watch the drone and the Piper. Ooh, do you hear it? It's starting up. Whee. What's Piper think of it? Oh, she's not impressed. She's like, oh, that's enough. And up she goes. Yeah, like a ship. They're she's. Ships and things are always referred to in the feminine form.
That's because sailors were males, because it was bad luck to have a woman on board.
But they'd call their ships women. I don't know. There she blows, up she goes, you know. When I was a kid, my parents gave the car a name. It was a female name. I don't know. We could look into it. Oh, there are leaves. There are leaves falling from trees. Look, there are deer tracks here. I don't know if you can see that. You'll have to take my word for it. I can hear it. It sounds like an irritating fly by your ear. Yeah.
It sounds like a whole wasp nest.
It does. I once stepped on a wasp nest. It does sound like you stepped on a wasps or hornet's nest. I think they were hornets. Yep, we were out in the woods. We were berry picking and I accidentally stepped on a nest.
I have a feeling it's gonna fall on my head.
I know.
I'm gonna have to go to the hospital.
I saw a hawk soaring up there. I said it's gonna take out the drone. Oh, I should continue my story. So years ago, we were out berry picking. That noise, it brings back those memories. And so the blackberry bushes were growing on the side of this little tiny hill, not even a hill. There were dead leaves all over the ground there, and I didn't know it. I stepped on them not knowing that there was a hornet's nest there. And all of a sudden we're like, what is that noise? What is that? And we looked and we're like, bees, run! I said, run! And then I said, stop! Because they were all over my son's back. Oh, it was horrible. And that noise reminds me of it. Yeah. Oh boy, let me show you something else. Whoa! Check out the trees. The leaves are turning here. Okay. The pretty leaves, look at that. Okay, they have settled on the spot for their house. They had to dig around and there's a lot of bedrock down there. So they had to find a place. They had to move it a little bit forward to where they want to be. So he's got to cut down some more trees. So I'm hoping he knows what he's doing and it doesn't land on him. He does. Anyway, so Jack's gonna get the drone going. Yep, he did the front cut. Now he's doing the back cut so the tree will go the way he wants it to. I don't even know if you can see him because the screen is so small and my eyes are old. Timber! Woohoo! One down, a whole bunch more to go. He's got to clear out this whole area between there and the backhoe, I think. He cleared a bunch of trees. Ooh. Alright, there he is. Ooh, that was pretty cool. They're all coming down. There's some big trees in there. Ooh. It fell on their house. Okay, that gets a little boring. Just standing there watching. All right, see this truck ahead of us? You can't see it very well, but they've got a plow on the front of their truck.
Are you giving this to me?
Yeah, so you can hold it out there so you can record the plow.
That's horrible. I have to wait because I don't want to get their license. Oh, they don't have a license plate.
They don't have a license plate.
To do that.
It's an old dude.
I barely got there.
Erica's trying to be stealthy.
I didn't.
It's all crooked because the top doesn't actually touch the food. Okay, we're at a thrift store and we want to know what is it. Hold it up. It's some kind of pastry cutter.
It says stainless steel on it, and it's like a knife.
But it's got like a cast iron handle on it.
Yeah, it's
I don't know.
It looks like a pastry cutter.
Yeah,
Pastry
what
cut
kind
to
of
that
I'm gonna
shape.
buy it just to find out. Okay, well, this puppy makes a big mess in my kitchen, and I'm trying to sweep it up, but he's got other ideas. All right, Wilder, you can't bite. No biting. No biting. No biting. Good boy. I didn't even touch him with my foot. I was just guiding the broom out of his mouth. Isn't he a cutie? Look at you. Oh, you're so precious. Oh, looks like my flash is still on.